How to add items to your Wix store. So here from the home page, we want to focus on the left hand side and hover over catalog. You will be able to see store products, and once we hover over store products, you will be able to see inventory, categories, products. We just want to click on products here, the first option. Now you will be taken to a page with all of your products. They can be either physical or digital. And if we want to add a new item here, then we will click on new product and we can choose whether it's physical or digital. I'm going to do physical product here. And now it's going to take us to this page. So untitled product, we can type out the item name here. So for example, keychain, and we can add videos or images. I'm going to click on add images here, and we can upload our media from here, or I'm just going to choose one that I've already uploaded. I'm going to click on add to page. So the keychain, we have an image added, and we can also add a description here for the product itself. Now the pricing, we can set the price here in your currency, and we can also set it for sale, and we can do it per unit, show price per unit. We can add a custom text field here, product options, inventory, in stock, out of stock, SKU, pre-order here, and we can also create a subscription for this product. So after we're done with all of this, we will simply click on save, and that's how you add items to your Wix store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.